Hi everyone, this is my second devlog for a little Starfox style game that I'm developing in Unity. This series will document my journey and my struggle as an indie game developer. My last devlog, I made a very bare bones start to my project. As you can see there's still a lot of work to be done. I've been using Udemy, YouTube, and Google to help aid myself in this development. And game development can be very difficult considering how many parts there are to be put together. At this point, I felt like Starfox 64 betrayed me, but I went back to working on it anyway, because this is actually part of the learning process after all. So right now, you can see my ship moving across the screen, and you can also see it moving along a track as well. I think the movement still needs fine-tuning because currently the ship leans and turns, but it's not correcting itself when you stop moving, so it looks very unnatural. But this is something I can work with while adding more features to the game. I was using Unity Timeline and Animator to move the ship previously, but I found that to be very finicky to work with, and as you can see here, the whole animation looks really janky. Anytime that it came to the rotation of the ship, Unity Animator would add a curve to the animation track, and that would cause the ship to spin 360 degrees. It's not really smooth at all. Fortunately, I came across a video by Mix and Jam about Starfox's movement and rail system. In this video, they used Unity Cinema Machine, implementing a dolly track and cart system into the game. I thought this was an ingenious way of adding a rail system to this project. Check out Mix and Jam's channel. They make really interesting videos about game development and recreating mechanics from other games. I had to figure out how to get the ship moving on the track, so I added the whole player game object to the dolly cart, which also follows the dolly track. And then I adjusted the player controller script so that I can add a reference to the dolly cart that it's on. From there, I can access the speed of the dolly cart and modify the ship when it boosts or brakes. Like I said, it moves very smooth even when boosting or braking. I added a simple firing mechanic using Unity's particle system and some geometry to make the sandbox level look a little bit more interesting when moving around. So that's all the progress I've currently made on this project. In the future, I plan to add enemies and add a much more interactive rail system. Be sure to subscribe and like the video so you can keep track of my progress on this project. Thanks for watching.